Hello, everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your love and support. If you are new to my channel, welcome to our YouTube group family. Today we going to learn few things about the camera raw filter. How we can sharp the outdoor picture in the camera raw filter. Color grading. So let's get started. I have taken this beautiful picture, though it is looking very beautiful, but I want the texture of that object comes pop up. Simply duplicate the layer and convert it into a smart object. Go to filter, camera raw filter, or press Shift plus Control plus A short key. As I stated, we want the object come pop up and be shipped. First of all, let's turn on before and after so that we can see the difference. So let's increase the contrast. Reduce the black first of all. Reduce the highlights. Reduce the shadows. Increase the texture. Increase the dehiz. Let's add some details. Increase the sharpness, noise reduction, color noise reduction. You can check the difference we have made in each filter by simply pressing the I button. Let's go to color grading. Some orangish tone in the mid-tones. Adjust the opacity of shadow and highlights. Just have a look before and after in just 2 minutes. Hopefully, you have enjoyed this short tutorial and learned something new. If you liked my content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you for watching.